Today we are going to discuss about architecture of Chrome extension. So in the architecture of Chrome extension, there are a couple of things that we will discuss about. First one is manifest. Let's look at it. Manifest is the configuration file for Chrome extension in which we define the data in JSON format. So basically there are key value format. So there are a couple of properties which are required like manifest version and the name, and there are a couple of recommended properties and the optional ones. So you use them as you need them. As you can see over here, there is a background property in which you define the background JS file. So there is content script. As you can see, there is permissions property in which we define permissions. Like if you want to access the tabs of the user, then you can define the permission for tabs property. So you just put the name of the permission in the array. Second point is background script. So this is basically the JavaScript file. Browser loads it when it starts the Chrome extension. Like if you want to add some listeners, for example, like on install listener, and you want to create context menus, then you define those logics in this file. When this is not required, browser unloads it. As you can see, there is a logic defined, and in which we have defined the on-install listener. When extension is installed, then we create the sample context menu. So this is the logic to create the Chrome extension context menu when extension is installed. So this logic is basically defined in the background script. Third point is UI elements. So Chrome extension can have forms of UI like context menu, omnibox, keyboard shortcut, an options page, and the pop-up page. Also, these extensions are capable of creating a new tab or opening a new window. Extension which have the background script named as background.js and the pop-up UI which is defined in popup.html, and the script file of it is called as popup.js. So basically when you click on the icon, the UI which is created basically is the popup.html, and when extension is loaded by the browser, the script is called is background.js. Fourth point is content script. Extensions that read or write to web pages utilize a content script. The content script contains JavaScript that executes in context of a page that has been loaded into the browser. Let's say user is on the google.com. If that particular extension contains the content script which loads onto the google.com URL, then that script could have access to the DOM of the google.com URL. Fifth one is the options page. So options pages are the UI path which are defined under the Chrome extension. So let's say you have a couple of options for an Chrome extension, like turning off something or switching on something, stuff like that.